Hello my friends and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing the black edition of my 2020 Rainbow series. This is the look I am inspired by today by Sona Ripley, I believe. I want to say that's how you pronounce her name, but I just love like the simplicity of it. This is purple in this photo, but I'm going to recreate it using black. So without further ado, I'm going to throw on some music and we're going to jump on into today's video. The completed look. I feel very vampy for it being summer, but I'm kind of into it. Can't wait for fall looks. But this is my interpretation of Shona Riley, I believe is her Instagram. I kind of exited it out already. My bad, but I'll have her Instagram down below, or he. Don't really know. Sorry about that. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassamaddie YT, so it's spelled here, both Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. We only have 2 more? Yes, 2 more videos in my 2020 Rainbow series. Can't believe it's already here. Yeah, and I'm pretty up to date. Like, I'm filming this on June 24th, and the day you're watching this, or the day I'm uploading this, is June 25th. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.